In double crochet, when we start, we always chain 3 for the most part, unless the pattern tells you otherwise. So treble is slightly taller by 1 extra chain. So to start the treble, you chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You immediately jump to the next stitch available to you, and instead of just wrapping once, you're gonna wrap twice. So yarning over once and twice, and then go into the next stitch, pull through. You now have 4 loops on your hook. If it was double, there'd only be 3. So yarning over, pulling it through 2, yarn through 2 and 2. You see it's much taller. So wrapping twice, and then you're going into the next stitch, pull through 2, 2, and 2. Wrap twice, and you keep moving across your row doing a treble. So you can see it's much taller, so the gapping spaces between the posts get a lot more significant. So what you have to watch for, remember we talked in the double crochet video, we talked about that turning chain so that you would not gain any extra chains or any extra stitches. And what you need to watch for is that turning chain with this stitch as well. So technically people would finish here if they were new to crochet, not realizing that there's still an extra stitch, so they end up growing a triangle. So you have to go into this turning chain. Don't go into a space, go right into the chain. So wrapping twice into the chain, the top of the chain, pull through, and then pull through 2, 2, and 2. So to begin again, turn your work, chain up 4, and then just treble all the way across. Make sure you go into the turning chain, and this is how you do a treble.